You know, when you see men like this, you greet them. You never know, these are officially. Oh boy, see white people. For Ghana. God, when I see white people in the midst of blacks like this, I get scared for you. Why are you scared? These guys are all blacks. You know, look here. This one, I'm sure this big tree. Hi. Play out there. No problem, shake me, play out there. This big guy. You know, I love the ladies. One thing I love about the ladies, they can dance to anything that sounds like music. This morning I see one girl, early in the morning they dance to 7 o'clock news. A fashion icon, have you? I kind of like fashion though. Hey, what's my wife do that? My wife do. Come near her like that. Or too close. So personally, I don't like if you see you're dark and she's light. She's fair. If she mess now you everybody will suspect. Racism is still on. You know? And you know the worst part? Now, fake girls mess the smell pass. Guys, are they lie? Now, fake girls mess the smell. The other day I was sitting on the bench with one girl. All of a sudden, the bench vibrated. You know, there's no how you won't feel it. I talked to the guy, I said, what happened? She said, it's vibration, it's my text message. I said, okay. After a few seconds, the text message begins to smell. Now I talked to her, I said, wait till you say that. He said, it's text message. I said, a text message smell like this. If text message smell like this, how come it smell? Fashion icon, I love fashion, but it is like the girls, so the girls, they abuse her. Girls, they abuse fashion, and I don't like that. Hi, Sammy. Right? Come on, the glasses, son, don't they? You know, the ladies, they abuse fashion. That's why I like that girl, the bad girl. Hi. Hi, you're bad. Yeah. Only you, they're bad. So. I see one girl, she's bad. Bad. You are bad. You go wear turtleneck. She don't resemble roll-on. No, it's bad. And these leggings that girls wear, stretch. What do they call it? Is it stretch or leggings? Stretch. It's meant for straight people. You will legs go like this, you wear stretch. Where you go? Where is he saying they go? You know, the ladies are so cool. All the ladies in the house, put your hands together for yourselves. I didn't say clap, I just said put your hands together. It feels good to be here. And I love the ladies, they're so cool. And I think I have a problem with the fashion lately. I don't know if it's a trend or if it's fashion. You know, back in the days when we go to clubs, we love to hug the girls because everywhere is soft, you know. Guys now, when we hug our hand, they play. But now shake with the shake girls. How are you? Because they say na trend. They call it body magic. But now some people wear and come today. I hug one girl, the way they sing hard, it like I hug police. The annoying part is the eyebrow God gave to them. They shave it out. They shave all the eyebrow out. Now they draw the eyebrow, the whole day they'll be looking surprised. Good evening, sir. Please shake me, sir. There's no go like that. How are you? I know you. It's cool, but the annoying part is when you wear the wig, wear your size. One girl wear wig, she don't say they win the outside. So she wear the wig, she don't come and wear. As she go outside, breeze blow the wig. The front open, she don't know. The whole day, she resemble a hate power, the whole day. It's bad. No one works for you. If you dey fix eyelashes, fix them, make the thing come. And they dance with one girl inside club one day. She don't fix all those eyelashes when they like toothbrush. You know the inside club, a lot of things happen. Lights may blow. The light just dey blue, red. I know they see well. So we know they dance. All of a sudden the girl sneeze empty. The eyelash come over her eye, forehead. I don't know. I see they dance. I say make I go buy drink for bar. When I reach there, the bartender they point to my face and they point back. Until I reach out, see eyelash on my face. Put your hands together for yourself. My name is Hogan. I just passed by to entertain you a little bit. And if I crack too much joke, I will pay plenty money. So the joke, I don't save some. Before I go, I tell you this quickly. You don't be any guy. When I go like gossip, we'll say when I'm quiet. All the girls, all those guys where they carry you come out, buy you drink, and invite one girl go somewhere, she call her friends. Now your friends I invite. You know those smart friends where they get boys like Jaru. Not be all the guys when they go restroom and say, I'm coming, let me go to the toilet. Not be all of them they go piss. Some of them they go complain. One guy don't spend. He spend tire for a crowd. He get up and say, I want to use the restroom. The guy say, okay. You go, he enter. And they hear, oh. Masa. Nice movies. Hey. So me when they stand for door, and they knock, bros, I mean, hurry up, complain, come out, make I come in, complain my own. Because everybody, they complain. Ladies and gentlemen, I went to Kumasi, I told a few jokes. Hi, Miss Universe. How are you? Nice. This white guy just did, he didn't touch anybody. Oh. I'm sure it's Lebanese. No. I told a few jokes and people enjoyed it, and I left the stage.
Why the prayer manti? The prayer manti. Why the prayer manti? Cardinal, me mama won't know this. Abasi why the prayer manti? Me mama won't know what me do, me a gonzosi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy bati. Abasi why the prayer manti? Me mama won't know what me do, me a gonzosi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy bati. Me a whole lot starving to me. I come back a day and the suffer die with no money. Pray God Almighty bless me. Parasi a tell a little boy to come back.